What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable extreme or severe threat emergency alerts in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on notifications. Now in notifications, click on advanced settings, and then in advanced settings scroll down and click on wireless emergency alerts. Now here you will see extreme threats and severe threats buttons. So if you want to disable extreme or severe threat emergency alert, then turn off their respective button. So if you want to enable the extreme or severe threat emergency alert, then turn on their respective buttons. So if you will turn off extreme threats, the severe threats emergency alerts will automatically get disabled. So that's how you can enable or disable extreme threat or severe threats emergency alerts in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.